everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some very cute Valentine DIYs. These can be used all year round. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be doing a heart topiary. So from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of these jumbo craft hearts. And I'm going to paint this using the Waverly chalk paint in the color moss. I will be painting the front and the back. Once this is dry, I'm going to start by adding my greenery. The greenery I'm using, it's from Walmart. I used around 1.5 of the picks. Now each pick was like $1 and something. It was less than $1.50. But all I did was, out of one stem, I made like 2 little stems. Hopefully I made sense. And here I try to show you. Here I cut one part and then left the other. I did that to all of the stems. I will be using this tool to make little holes. Then I'm going to add the stems. I did use hot glue. At first I didn't, but then I was like, if I want this to stay, I need some hot glue, so I then added hot glue. I only added greenery in the front. For the planter, I will be using a box I made out of Dollar Tree wood. But here are some options from the Dollar Tree that you can use instead. I painted this white. Now I'm going to add the word love. This is a laser cutout word that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. I painted it using the Waverly Antique Wax and adding this in front of the little box. The next thing I will be doing is gluing some of this Dollar Tree foam. To add my heart to the small little planter, I'm using this dowel that I already had. I got this from Dollar Tree, so Dollar Tree does carry dowels that you can use. I painted it brown. I added it to the point of the heart, and I used a little bit of hot glue to glue it in there. I also glued some more greenery around where I removed some of the paint. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to add this inside the planter. And then to cover that up, I will be using some Spanish moss. And that is it. Look how beautiful this heart topiary turned out. The best part is that you can use this all year round. For my next project, I will be making a decorative tray using this Dollar Tree hearts. I'm reusing mine, but Dollar Tree is carrying these this year, and they also carry the wood ones, which are a lot bigger than this. The other items I'm using are some Jenga blocks. I'm not sure how much I use in total, but I will tell you down in the description box. Now I am going to start gluing this all around the hearts. For this to be nice and sturdy, I do recommend you using both wood glue and hot glue. And this is how it looks going all around. Now for the last Jenga block, it didn't fit. So you can either leave it like this or cut one of the Jenga blocks. I grabbed a pencil and measured it. Then I went ahead and cut this. It was very easy to do this. And that is it. Now the next thing I will be doing is painting this using the Waverly Antique Wax. And that is it for this beautiful tray. Once again, you can use this all year round. For my next project, I will be doing a small little planter. So from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use 2 of these wooden hearts and 3 of the wood planks. I will be making one of the wood planks smaller. The next thing I will be doing is making like a small little box using the wood planks. Now I did add some Jenga blocks to make this sturdy. For the sides, I will be using the hearts. And this is how it looks. Look how cute. Now to paint this, I'm using the Waverly chalk paint. And that is it. Now the last thing I will be doing is adding some greenery. For my next project, I will be making another small little planter. From Michael's, I'm using this wood box. This was $1. And from Dollar Tree, I'm using this wood heart, which I glued it on the little handle part. Then I painted it using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once these were dry, I just added some greenery, and that is it. Look how cute and adorable this turned out. That is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.